Hello, everyone. I just want to take a few moments to introduce everyone to my trading setup. Just as a background, I'm a software engineer. I worked for my company for 20 years and I just recently got laid off. So I'm trying to see if I can start a new career with day trading. Okay, I'm not completely new to it. When I was working as a software engineer, I used to trade on the side, sometimes pretty regularly. So it's not something that I'm unfamiliar with, but I'm trying to do it now on a permanent basis. So let me introduce you to my setup here. Over here, I have my trading plan. Um, just basically, a list of things that um, to abide by in order to have a successful trading. This is, in my opinion, is very, 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 very important. Very important. I know I've already made some rookie mistakes, and I went back to the plan, and I saw that there are things that I really shouldn't have done. So um, yeah, it's good to get the plan and to stick to it. So that's one thing I'm really going to be focusing on going forward. Okay, and over here um, is my laptop. I use Fidelity Active Trader Pro for my trading. So basically, I trade only stock options. Okay, I just trade. Um, I just buy and sell calls and puts. That's all I do. I don't buy stock or uh, bonds, mutual funds, any other stuff. I just uh, trade calls and puts. In my opinion, it's much simpler, um, and it comes with less risk. Less risk in the sense that you're not that exposed to margins and borrowing and all those risky things that you get from the broker. Also, I'm starting with a very a very low account. Uh, I started with $30,000. To day trade, you need $25,000 minimum. So I'm really at the bottom. Okay, and I don't want to take too much risk. So I'm putting all the risk on myself to uh, to only use what I can afford. All right. So let me show you my trading list here. I have the Dow, Nasdaq, S&P 500, all the major indices, and then the VIX, the volatility index. Also Apple, Amazon, Boeing, Alibaba, Baidu. These are Chinese stocks, and GE, Google, QQQ. That basically traces the Nasdaq, and also the SPY. That uh, follows the S&P 500. So those are the only things I trade. I just try to keep it simple there. And over here, this is my options where I look for the calls and puts to trade. Um, it's pretty straightforward. And then over here, this is my trading, my where I actually place the trades to buy and sell. All right, and over here to the left is a monitor with all my charts. I have 3 charts in total. I use one of them. I use it to monitor the VIX. The VIX is the volatility index, which basically uh, tells how the market moves up and down. So if you know what the VIX is doing or how it's trading, you can get a pretty good idea of what the market is going to do, which gives you an advantage of when to buy or sell calls and puts this option. So um, I'm not gonna go into options. I'm hoping that everyone knows what stock options are. All right, and then Boeing. Boeing. If I want to trade the Dow, I trade Boeing. Boeing is a major component of the Dow, so um, you know the the Dow basically mirrors what Boeing is doing and vice versa. Um, Google or Amazon or QQQ if I want to trade the Nasdaq. Those three. Now the thing with these companies is their options are pretty expensive, um, but they are also pretty stable in that they don't lose their value that much. So I prefer to trade companies with options with companies that have options that are stable in price, um, and also that are liquid. So there's a lot of that get a pretty decent volume. So um, you don't want to trade options that have like high spread between the bid and the ask. You probably lose a lot of money if you do that. All right, so I use Bollinger Bands, moving averages, and also MACD and the RSI. Those are the indicators that I use. I use these generally as a guide. These indicators, the biggest ones that I use is the Bollinger Bands, the Bollinger Bands and the moving averages. Those are the ones. Those are the ones that to me are the most important. The MACD and the RSI, those ones they're important also, but they do, in my opinion, they are more for like long-term trading. Like if you want to trade, like you want to hold like an asset for like a week or so. Those are good, but for single day trading, they tend not to be that reliable. So mostly the Bollinger Bands that I use and the moving averages. All right. So I'm hoping that I'm going to be able to upload a video shortly of one of my trading sessions to see how things go. I'm trying to share my experiences. Hopefully it will benefit some of you out there who are thinking about trading and specifically stock options. All right, so hope you found this video informative. Give it a like if you can, and watch out for my next video. Thanks. Bye.